This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming hardware and permissions. Plug in or pair the headset, then open VR audio settings to choose the mic input. This ensures the system hears you. Once done, run the in-app mic test so you can see level meters move as you speak and adjust gain until peaks avoid clipping. Make sure the mic is positioned near your mouth, but off-axis to reduce breath noise. This first step prevents common pickup problems later in the session. Next, you refine your signal for clear communication. Lower or raise input gain so your voice peaks without redlining. A 50% to 75% starting point is reliable. Then enable noise suppression and echo cancellation to cut gym sounds and reverb, because clean audio prevents misunderstandings during drills. If the class uses push-to-talk, bind the control and practice pressing it. Otherwise, adjust voice activity thresholds so your mic doesn't open on every background sound. Finally, you validate performance and prepare fixes. Join a practice room and speak while a partner or a local recording confirms clarity so you detect issues before class. If teammates can't hear you, check app and OS permissions, update drivers, and verify the physical USB or Bluetooth link, because connectivity often causes silence. As a fast recovery, restart the VR app, toggle the mic off and on, or switch to an alternate input. This typically restores audio without delaying the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.